Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Kawaii toys are probably one of the most adorable and heartwarming additions to any collection, bringing a splash of vibrant color and irresistible charm into our lives with their unique designs and delightful personalities, making them perfect companions for both children and adults seeking a touch of joy and whimsy. Number 5. Auspicious Beginning Corgi Shiba Inu Plush, 8 foot. Introducing a super soft and adorable plush toy, perfect for cuddles and companionship. Its premium materials ensure a comfortable and huggable experience. Crafted with high-quality plush fabrics and a feather PP cotton filler, this stuffed animal offers exceptional comfort. It's perfect for snuggling or providing lumbar support while you relax. Measuring 8 inches from nose to hip when fully recovered, it's the ideal size for playtime and decoration. Please measure from nose to hip for accurate sizing. This cute dog plush toy makes a wonderful gift for kids, teens, and adults alike. It's perfect for playtime, reading, watching TV, or simply napping. Unfold this fuzzy pillow for a comfortable sleep companion. It's a classic and collectible critter that brings joy and comfort wherever it goes. Perfectly suited for bedrooms, living rooms, or even your office. It helps ease work fatigue and provides a relaxing moment during your busy day. What we like. This plush offers ultimate comfort with its premium materials. If you are looking for a soft friend to hug or need some extra lumbar support while relaxing, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for cozy evenings and provides a comforting presence. What people say. Decent size and really soft. Super cute and the recipient loved the quality. I love this pillow. I got it for decor on my bed, but I actually use it pretty often when I sleep. It's perfect for cuddling and wedging between my neck and shoulder. Arrived squished but puffed up immediately after opening. Feels very high quality and is very soft to the touch. Number 4. MINGKIDS Star Night Light Projector. Introducing the MINGKIDS Star Night Light Projector, the perfect companion for your child's bedtime. It creates a magical ambience with star and moon patterns, transforming any room into an enchanted space. This smart projector features a timer function, allowing you to precisely control the projection duration. It automatically shuts off without disturbing sleep, making it ideal for toddler night lights and baby sleep training. Combat night anxiety with its dual-mode operation, combining white noise with soothing light. The 360 degrees rotating soft glow is perfect for those late-night feedings or simply creating a calming environment. Choose from 16 dynamic colors to create a magical atmosphere. With 3-level dimming, you can adjust the brightness from 25% to 100%, protecting delicate eyesight. Effortlessly adjust settings from bed with the premium remote control. It offers 2 convenient charging options, USB-C or battery power, ensuring it's always ready to use. Designed with a cute kawaii mushroom aesthetic, this projector is not only a delightful room decor piece but also a fantastic gift. It's made with FAA-certified non-toxic materials, making it a safe and wonderful present. Encourage independent use and boost STEM skills with its child-friendly controls. Most children can master its settings quickly, promoting learning through play. What we like. Transform your child's room into a magical galaxy with this star projector. If you're looking for a way to combat night anxiety or create a soothing bedtime environment, this is an excellent option. Its customizable lights and timer make it perfect for young children who need a little extra comfort at night. What people say. This toy is incredibly soft and cuddly, perfect for hugs. The stitching is very durable, and it has held up well to lots of play. It's a great size for little hands to hold and carry around. Number 3. Furvana Shaved Sheep Stuffed Animal. Introducing a unique plush toy inspired by the gentle sheep of Kobe's Rakaka Mountain Ranch. Experience the fun of a gentle shave with this adorable sheep. Crafted from 100% eco-friendly polyester fiber, this small stuffed animal is incredibly soft and easy to hold. Its charming design mimics a sheep's calm posture, making playtime feel like a real grooming session. This plush lamb features charming details like white ears, anti-slip hooves, and a special razor-shaped zipper pull. It's designed for fun and imaginative play anytime, anywhere. Looking for a creative gift? This stuffed sheep is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a wonderful way to inspire a love for animals and learning in children. This isn't just a cute plushie, it's a sleeping pet buddy and a fun educational toy. It's a delightful present for girls, boys, teens, and women alike. What we like. Experience a unique interactive play with this adorable shaved sheep plush. If you enjoy creative and hands-on toys that also inspire a love for animals, this is a fantastic choice. It offers a fun, tactile experience and is made with eco-friendly materials, making it a great gift for imaginative kids. What people say. The zipper even looks like a razor, which is adorable and such a fun detail. Very well made, adorable and cuddly. I particularly like zipper function so that the wool can be removed and then the sheep appears to have been sheared. He fits in my hand, so I can hold him while I sleep. He's perfect. Just like my Toby, small and soft and sweet. Number 2. Peach Cat Cute Bat Bunny Plush Pillow 12. Introducing the Peach Cat Cute Bat Bunny Plush Pillow. It's a unique and adorable stuffed animal perfect for kids. Crafted from premium soft plush fabric and filled with high-quality PP cotton, this pillow offers ultimate comfort. At 12 inches, it's the ideal size for holding and cuddling. Its unique design features bunny ears, bat wings, and a tail. This versatile plushie is perfect for reading, watching TV, studying, or simply taking a nap. It's a cozy companion for any activity. With its skin-friendly fabrics and soft, comfortable feel, it makes a wonderful gift for any occasion, like birthdays or holidays. Arriving in vacuum packaging, simply let it stand in a normal environment for 1 to 3 days to regain its full shape. Placing it in the sun or dryer will speed up the recovery. What we like. This plush combines a cute bat and bunny for a unique and huggable pillow. If you're looking for a versatile plush that can serve as both a comforting pillow and a charming decorative item, this is the one. Its soft texture and adorable design make it a delightful companion for kids. What people say. The plush is made from incredibly soft and high-quality fabric that feels gentle against the skin, making it ideal for cuddling or resting on. With its blend of cat, bat, and bunny features, it's a plush unlike any other. The bat wings add a fun, slightly spooky element, while the bunny ears bring extra cuteness. It is extremely soft. The wings are my favorite part. They are large and they retain their shape without sacrificing softness. Number 1. Original Stationery Ice Cream Sundae Slime Kit, medium, pink. Get ready for a unique slime making experience. This kit offers vibrant colors and textures, perfect for kids aged 7 and up. It enhances creativity with every slime creation. Transform playtime into a screen-free adventure with this interactive kit. Children enjoy crafting colorful slime, enhancing their sensory skills and fostering imaginative capabilities. This toy kit doubles as party supplies, making it perfect for group gatherings. Encourage collaborative play as children create delightful slime sundaes, turning any event into a memorable experience. Delight young artists with a slime cooking set that encourages artistic exploration. It's ideal for birthdays or special occasions, catering to those who love hands-on activities. Enhance sensory development with this slime cafe kit, offering an engaging and educational experience. Children enjoy crafting slime sundaes, fostering creativity through tactile exploration. What we like. Dive into a world of creative fun with this realistic ice cream sundae slime kit. If you're seeking an engaging, screen-free activity that enhances sensory skills and encourages imaginative play, this kit is perfect. It's also ideal for parties and group gatherings, making any event a sweet success. What people say. Paints were simple to use and absorbed well into the slime. The slime itself isn't too wet or sticky, and smells nice. This slime kit was surprisingly very good quality and didn't stick to my slime-loving daughter's hands. The mix-ins and accessories were so cute. My nieces got this for Christmas and it was the best ever. I got my kids some because of how mess-free and fun it was. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.